Welcome to 9Checks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reschedule an inspection. As you can see here on the calendar, we use different colors to represent different inspection types. Green represents a move-in inspection, orange represents a move-out inspection, and blue represents today's date. Now, let's say you want to reschedule a move-in inspection. Maybe your schedule changed, something came up unexpectedly, or the tenant is no longer available at the original time. With 9Checks, rescheduling an inspection is quick and easy. All you need to do is click on Reschedule. As you can see, this inspection is currently scheduled for the 26th at 8:30 a.m. Once the reschedule window opens, you'll be able to change the inspection date, the start time, and the duration. For this example, let's move the inspection to the 29th. We'll set the new start time to 9:30 a.m., and we'll keep the inspection duration at 1 hour. You'll also notice that there is a notification toggle. This gives you the option to notify the tenant automatically about the updated inspection schedule. You can turn it on or off depending on your preference. Now let's click Save Changes. Perfect. As you can see, the move-in inspection has now moved from the 26th to the 29th. And when we open the inspection details, we can see that the inspection is now scheduled for 9:30 a.m. Now let's switch over to the timeline view. When we navigate to the 29th, we can clearly see the inspection placed on the timeline at 9:30 a.m. The timeline view makes it easy to track all inspections and events happening throughout the day. And that's how you reschedule an inspection using 9Checks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.